What's up guys, welcome back. Today on this video we'll be integrating the following function here. I hope you can able to do this one. Remember, you can pause this video and try to do this problem here, and let's see if you can able to get the same answer as the one that I'm going to get here. Alright guys, if you're new on this channel, I would like to welcome you guys, and also I will advise you to subscribe to the channel because I've made lots and lot of videos on different chapters. You can go to the playlist and watch those chapters. I also made videos on previous question papers. Go there and watch those previous question papers too. Guys, when you subscribe, please make sure that you click the bell icon there so that whenever I upload a new video, you can able to see it. Okay, now let's do this one problem here. This one is very simple, guys. You don't really have to worry about it. So basically we just have to integrate or find the indefinite integral of this function here. So when it's like this, you have to use the formula. So here is the formula here. I'm just going to write it on this side. So we know that when you're given an integral, for example, we have x to the power of n, which is the exponent, and then when we integrate, or when we find the integral, it's going to be x and then n plus 1 divided by that n plus 1 there plus c. Remember, we always put plus c because of we don't know the constant here. So remember, again, when we do indefinite integrals, we add plus c there. So we're gonna use this formula to integrate this one here. So let's do it. So we know that we have y, and then this time around it's x, and then our n here is gonna be 5 plus 1 divided by the very same exponent there, 5 plus 1 plus c. All right, and then this is gonna give us what? This is gonna give us x to the power of 6. Remember, 5 plus 1 is 6 divided by 6 plus c. So this is your final answer. Very simple, guys, straightforward. Just in case you don't know where this formula is coming from or how to use this formula, you can go to this video that appears here. I explain this formula here. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget, guys, to subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you can able to see the next coming video. All right, guys, at the end of this video there is a playlist. Click on that playlist of the problems that we solve of indefinite integral. There is a video from part 1 to part 3. This is going to be part 3 of that playlist. You can click there, and other parts, they want to appear there. You're going to able to watch in a sequence order, guys. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Do not forget to share this video with your friends and like the video if it really helped you. Till next time, guys, cheers.